Highest priced home to sell this past week was Baltimore's Ruxton community for $4,750,000. It's Friday, January 29th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. The urban flight that started nationwide in 2012 is predicted to continue as it accelerated in 2020 due to COVID, with a work from home shuffle into smaller cities, suburban areas, and proximity states that provide lower cost of living with a high quality of life and the ability to work from home. Maryland is seeing incoming residents from higher priced real estate markets, DC, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, and Illinois. Marylanders are relocating to Florida, Virginia, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, and South Carolina. The majority of homeowners nationwide have more than 45% home equity. And this past year, home value appreciation went up 9.7%. Predictions are that this will likely continue to occur, so buyers waiting to purchase homes will be paying more for them by the end of this year than they would right now. Sellers may also be affected, as the number one reasons for growth in housing appreciation that started in 2010 is directly correlated to the low interest rates. If interest rates increase, the move-up buyer market will likely slow, having a direct impact on both the first-time home buyers and the home sellers and the next move-up price point. 28% of homeowners have an interest rate under 3.5%, and if interest rates do increase, many may reconsider a discretionary move rather than taking on a higher interest mortgage for a new purchase. Buyers and sellers considering a move need to take this data into account for how it will affect their plans and their needs. Right now in Maryland, there are 770 homes listed for sale as coming soon this past week. 1,063 are newly active. 636 homes went under contract in 10 median days. 1,251 are temporarily off the market. 1,172 moved to pending. 1,081 homes settled last week at a median of $385,487 in 10 days. There are 1,633 homes listed for rent in Maryland at an average of $2,182 per month. Do you have questions about your situation for 2021? Give me a call at 443-837-5645. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's it for Friday, January 29th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.